So tell us about the wood.
The wood.
So
Okay,
so
like-
so they it's about dry meat from Cameroon.
Yes.
What do you call it?
Meat.
Yeah, what do you call that dry meat?
The dry meat is nyayur. So I don't know how to explain it.
No, okay, explain how you make
Okay,
it.
like they put like in the kitchen,
Yeah.
because they use wood to cook.
Yes.
You get, so naturally they make like like stones.
Yes.
You get, the stone contains you put your pot on the middle. So because we use wood to cook,
Yes.
so
There's lots of smoke.
There's also the smoke. So the kitchen are made of mud.
Yeah.
You get, so it contains, it traps
Yes.
like it's like a dry oven.
Yes.
In
Yes.
as much as the kitchen that you sit inside.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
Cameroon is very cold.
Okay.
It's very, very cold. So their weather most of the time sometimes drops very cold. So we gather in the kitchen,
Yes.
roasting corn. You get roasting corn with the meat and everything. So on top of the fire, there's something called mishang.
Mishang.
Yes. So it's
Mishang.
it's like some strong rope tied to the roof.
Yes.
You get, on like 4 corners.
Yes.
Then that mishang can do different things. You can use it to dry your corn.
Yes.
When you harvest during the rainy season,
Yes.
then the one that you plant next season,
Yes.
you tie the corn into two,
Oh, okay.
then save it up there.
Yes. Yes.
It dries
yes. Yes.
and keep
yes,
there
yes.
until your next
Yes,
farming season.
yes.
Same as your wood, because too much of rain, the weather is so cold. So in order for your wood to dry faster, you split the wood
Yes.
into different small pieces. Then you lay them in layers
Yes.
on top of the mishang.
Yes.
You
Yes.
understand?
Yes. Yes.
So
To
then
dry them.
The smoke underneath,
Yes.
the smoke underneath goes inside it.
Yes.
You understand? So as it's drying, you can be using it to put your fire. To
Yes,
make your fire.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
the wet one will be on top, the dry
Yes.
one, it's very strong.
Yes.
It can contain like some, I would say 5 to 10 kg of wood
Yes.
on top of it, because the ropes are really hard and
Very
very
strong.
So you remove it from there and put your fire. So the wet one come on top, the dry one is underneath. Same way your meat. You get it? So some people they get the beef, they slice them, they hang them on that machine too. The smoke dries it.
Yes.
So
And then yes, for days you say you leave it for days to
yes,
meat.
for days.
3-4 days a week.
More weeks. So it
Weeks.
depends.
How
Yes.
many weeks?
I don't know, because you are eating it.
Plus
so
minus.
It depends
Okay,
on
so-
the family,
okay.
the quantity, the amount,
Yeah.
the number of people in the family that eats the food.
Do you want it drier or do you want it not so dry?
It depends on anybody.
Depends on the individual.
So as long as the meat is ready, sometimes like weekend, we go in there, we eat it. You get it? When the
You,
parents are
yeah.
gone.
Yeah, when the parents are gone. Yeah, the kids go and they eat it. Oh,
We go in there,
fantastic.
So we
I
eat
love it.
So we eat it. So you get it? So all
And,
those things.
and some people use salt, some people use pepper.
Yes, they season it, some don't season. Like the older women, they'll prefer their own natural. Do you get? Like
okay.
my dad, do you get? Like antelopes, deer, all this like bush meat. You
Yes,
know, they have
yes,
it,
yes,
you get.
yes.
So sometimes he buys them. When we come back from school and they say my dad is with the kitchen key,
Yes.
we know that there's bush meat.
It's bush meat.
Yes. So if they say dad is with the
Oh,
he's
stunning.
with the kitchen key. then
I love
roasting-
it.
He's roasting something.
I
So
love it.
definitely everybody will be coming around the kitchen to make sure that you
Oh,
eat something.
I absolutely love it. Oh, what a fantastic
so,
story.
Like, in Cameroon, like it's all like that's Ndu. We grow up actually northwest.
Yes.
Ndu to be precise. You get, so they are all mostly farmers.
Yes.
They grow the corn, potatoes, cabbage, Irish potato, a lot. Irish potato grew up a lot.
Groundnuts.
Granite, yes.
Do you make your own oil?
Granite oil? Yes.
Yes, you
Yes, but
press it.
not that much.
Not that much, huh?
But majorly is maize, corn, beans, the kidney beans.
Yes, yes, yes,
The
yes,
kidney beans.
yes.
Then Irish potato, a lot.
A lot of that, huh?
Irish potato. Then the corn, the maize, because they do it like they can farm like the whole like a hectare.
Yes.
I get it. So when they stand to harvest, they harvest and put it in bands. They tie them into two, and keep them for the
Wow.
next season. From there, they can take the one that they grind for their food.
Yes.
Then they keep some, like sometimes some people tie inside the kitchen under the mission, so that for the next season.
Are you gonna, if my wife comes and visits, are you gonna take us there? We're going to visit with
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
huh?
I would have loved to go to Cameroon, but right now, this the Amber boys,
Yes.
they've been disturbing.
And there's some issues, huh?
The northern part for some time now.
Some issue. And
Yes.
and just quickly introduce yourself to my friends. Your name and where you're from?
My name is Nneka. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Anambra State, to be precise. So I am into cleaning. My business is cleaning. I clean industrial, anything cleanable. All the malls, I clean it. Your house, your office, I can clean them for you.
And she's the best cleaner.
I am the
And
best.
Mr.
I'm
Anil,
best at what I do.
Mr. Anil, who just appeared in the background there, he's the man giving the contracts out. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
well, great. Thank you very much for sharing this with us. Thank you.